Hello everybody, what is up? Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a what is on my iPhone 12 Pro Max video. You guys really requested this when I filmed my unboxing video for my new phone, so I thought I would dive in and show you guys what I have on my iPhone. If you guys are new here, I would absolutely love if you could subscribe so you never miss one of my videos. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps and supports my channel, so I'd really appreciate that. But without further ado, let's just hop on into this video. Okay, so just quickly, this is my iPhone. Like I said, it is the iPhone 12 Pro Max and it is silver, and then I have this case from Amazon. If you guys are interested, I'll have it linked down below, but it is just like this light pink pastel kind of color. It just kind of covers the front like this. I do have a Casetify case coming in the mail, but Casetify cases take a while to ship, so I just bought this one cheap off of Amazon for the time being. Okay, so I'm just gonna move over so I can put my phone here. Okay, so this is just my lock screen. It is just a little beach picture, sunset, waves. It's just cute. I don't know, I just like things very simple and minimalistic. If you guys watch my channel, you know that. So this is basically what it looks like when I open my phone. I don't have any of like the iOS 14 customizations, the widgets, any of that. I personally just don't like how it looks. Maybe over time I will transition into doing that. I feel like I would have to like sit down for hours and like really plan it out, but for right now I just have like the normal setup. So I just have 2 pages of apps. That's literally it. I really don't have a lot of apps on my phone. But starting off at the top, but yeah, I really don't have a lot of apps on my phone. And then basically my background, this is just what my background looks like. It's like white gray kind of color. I just looked it up on Google and just typed in like white gray iPhone background. Like I said, I just like things looking very clean and plain. So at the top, going along with my apps, I have messages, calendar, photos, camera, and let me tell you guys, I am obsessed with this camera on this phone. Before this phone, I had the iPhone 7 Plus, so getting the 12 Pro Max was a huge upgrade, especially when it came to the camera. I actually filmed my last vlog completely on my phone, and the quality honestly looked as good as this camera. Like, it was crazy. So love the camera on this. Then I have a clock. Reminders, I really don't think I have. Yeah, I have nothing in reminders. Then I have notes, which is basically just where I keep everything from like to-do lists, videos I need to film, passwords for websites, literally like everything. Anything that I don't want to keep in my brain, I throw in notes. App Store, weather, contacts, Shazam. If you guys don't know what Shazam is basically you click on it. Okay, maybe it's not gonna work. Okay, so you can just like tap to Shazam, and if there's like a song playing, if I've been out and I want to know, hey, like what's the song, I really like it, you can tap to Shazam. I think it tells you, yeah, like recent Shazam, so it tells you like all of the songs that I've ever Shazammed, which is kind of cool. Then we have music. I use Apple Music instead of Spotify. I know, kind of controversial. I know everybody loves Spotify. I just personally prefer Apple Music. I've always used Apple Music. So if you guys want to go and follow me, I am private, but if you guys request to follow me, I will obviously let you. A ton of you guys recently followed me, so yeah. These are all my playlists. I have summer 2020, which is kind of past now. I have pre, Yeehaw, which is my country playlist, and All the Feels, which is probably my favorite playlist. Love sad music. And then I have Safari, I have Mail, and then in this little other folder, I have period tracker, self-explanatory. I have the health app, and this is basically just how I track my steps. So like today, for example, you can see I've done 400 steps. It says I'm walking more than I do usually. Lately, I've been so bad with my steps, especially because this is like my second week of school. So I literally woke up and sat at my desk for like the entire day. And a lot of the time it is pretty inaccurate anyways, because I don't have my phone with me every time I walk somewhere. So as you guys can see, like the most steps I've done this week is like 1,000 steps. But the other week, I was doing more, like 9,000, 10,000, 6,000, you know? I just really like keeping track of that. Then I have Google Chrome. Then I have Find My. So this is basically I share my location with a couple of my friends, and then I also have like Find My devices on here. So I have my MacBook hooked up to this, my phone obviously, and then my AirPods, which is really cool. You can track where everything is. Calculator, Uber, haven't used Uber in a hot minute. Then I have podcasts. I absolutely love the podcast app. I'm always listening to podcasts, so these are all of the podcasts that I kind of listen to. So I have Girl on a Train, Mom Made Me Do It, I Love You So Much, Mood, Pretty Basic, Call Her Daddy, Cows on the Go, The Real Real, Girl Code, 80/20, Morning Ray, Manifest, Sister Diary, Honest Hour, and Happy Hour. So I love listening to playlists. If you guys have any cool playlists that you guys listen to, let me know, because I'm always down to hear new ones. Then I have Wallet. I don't think I set up Wallet on my new phone yet, but obviously you can just have like your debit card, your credit card, any like reward cards. Super cool. Voice memos, the only reason I have this on my phone is because last year for my birthday I went to like a tarot card reader with my best friend, and she, like the reader, allowed us to record our reading on her phone, so that's basically why I have the app. Then I have WhatsApp, which I basically just use for school. All my class group chats are all on WhatsApp, and then I have like my work group chat on there as well. Gas Buddy is really cool. It basically tells you all the different gas stations and the different prices of gas. Just cool if you want to go to a cheaper gas station. Then I have a Google Authenticator. This basically, I need this to log into my school portal. Like when I log into like my Ryerson things, after like 30 days I have to go in this app and type in the new code. It's just basically like a two-step verification thing so your account's secure. And then I have Grades. If you guys don't have an app like this, I would strongly suggest getting this. This like saves me every time. I'm definitely the kind of person that stresses out about like, oh my god, how am I doing in this class? What's my grade? Like I wonder where I'm at. This is really cool. So basically you can just go through and put everything. You can basically put each assignment in and then how much it's worth. So obviously for this class I have quite a bit of things due, but then as you put in the grade it will tell you like where you're at in the class. I just think it's really good to be able to like check in throughout the semester. Then I have Settings. Then I have Visco. You guys are welcome to follow me on Visco as well. It is just at Amy Hislop. I really don't post on there a ton, but yeah. Then I have Maps, FaceTime, Netflix. I honestly don't know why I have Netflix on here because I can't remember the last time I watched Netflix on my phone, but I just like to keep it just in case. The bottom four that never move is I have phone, Snapchat, which is personal. Next I have Instagram. You guys are welcome to go follow me over on Instagram. It's just at Amy Hislop. It's always linked down below. Then I have Twitter. I used to post on Twitter and like retweet stuff and all that stuff way more than I do now. I barely go on it, but if you'd like to follow me, again, it's just at Amy Hislop. I'm pretty sure every like social media of mine is just at Amy Hislop. Super easy to find me. Then I have Scotiabank, which is my banking app. Then I have PC Optimum, so that's like for Canada. There's a store called Shoppers, and it's like Optimum card, so I don't have to have the physical card. I can just use it on my app. Then I have food, of course. You have to have Uber Eats, Skip the Dishes, and then Tim Hortons app, which is basically just, I have like the little rewards card on there and you get like free coffees and stuff when you go often. Editing, so this is basically how I edit thumbnails and my Instagram pictures as well. Instagram stories, all that is all in this folder. So Pixar, I use that a ton for my thumbnails to put little stickers on there. So if you ever see like stars or you'll see like a picture or something, 9 out of 10 times that is coming straight from Pixar. Fonto is how I put all of my text on my thumbnails. Facetune, I use this to obviously if I need to like blur a part of my skin or if I need to whiten the background, any of that is Facetune. Over is how I use to create my collages for my thumbnail. So if I'm doing like a vlog or something and I have 3 different pictures, that is how I make that. Lightroom is how I edit all of my Instagram pictures. I use a preset on there. I actually have a ton of presets on Lightroom. So let's just say this picture. So you can go to presets, and as you guys can see, like I have quite a few presets. Then I have Unfold, which is basically for Instagram stories. You can do like different collages, set them up really cool. It's cool for like people's birthdays too. That's what I use it for a lot. Color tone is how I used to edit my Instagram pictures, and now it's how I edit my thumbnails, like put a little filter on it. Airbrush, same thing as Facetune. Then I have Snapseed. This is really cool because you can remove things from the background. Say there was like something on the wall, or say there's like a person behind me and I didn't want that, then I can just like take them out, you know? Then I have Tezza, again, just like a filtered app. It's kind of like pre-made presets on there. Story Lux, very similar to Unfold. It's all just, again, to do with your Instagram stories. And then Lens Buddy, I saw this in someone else's video, and basically it's so if you're like taking your own pictures, instead of like self-timer, you can like set it up and then it will take like pictures so you don't have to keep like going back to the camera and like clicking it again. I just think it's really helpful. Then I have YouTube. Obviously, YouTube Studio, really helpful if you are a creator. This is basically how you can check all of your analytics. Every time somebody comments on a video, I get notified. I can check my subscribers, reply to comments, see how many videos are doing. All of that analytical stuff is just on this app. Then I have Pinterest. I am obsessed with Pinterest, you guys. I like really gotten into it recently, so if you would like to follow me, you are more than welcome to. I believe it's just at Hislop 3. I'll have it linked down below, but I really like my Pinterest. These are just my boards. This is what my Pinterest looks like. Next, I have Gmail. The reason I have Gmail and the mail app is because Gmail is what I have my YouTube email connected to, so I just like to see those emails a bit faster because my other one I don't get notified, whereas this one I do. Then I have Slack. So this is basically like a group or team messaging system. I have a Slack set up with a bunch of other girls that do YouTube, so we can always like we'll send a link of like our new post when we upload, or we can ask each other questions about collabs. Just a really fun group, and that's just basically how we communicate through Slack. Then I have Facebook. Then I have Waze. I really like Waze because it tells you if there's like a cop on the street, and it also diverts you to a different route if there's a lot of traffic. It's helped me a lot. Candy Crush, I haven't played in so long, but I'm like so far in the game that I don't want to delete the app because obviously you would like lose where you're at. So that is gonna stay there. And then I have Jarvis, which is basically just my scheduling app for work. So that's how I see my schedule, all of that. Not that I'm working right now. I haven't worked for a few months because obviously we're in lockdown here, but have that. Messenger for Facebook, self-explanatory if somebody messages me. Air Miles, this is how I see how many air miles I have, how you can scan my card on here. TikTok, I don't post TikToks. I kind of want to. I don't know. I've been thinking about it, so let me know if I should. My thing is just at Amy Hislop if you guys want to go follow me. But yeah. Then I have the Starbucks app. Again, love Starbucks, how you collect your stars. If you were getting Starbucks a lot and you don't have the Starbucks app, like you're missing out on so much. I bought Starbucks for so many months and didn't have the Starbucks app and wasn't collecting stars, and I just realized how stupid that was because you could be getting free drinks. So do that. Unfollowers, I have this because I'm just one of these people that genuinely like to see when people unfollow me on Instagram. Yeah. And then I have Bell, which is just who my phone is with, so I can pay my bills, see how much data I've used, all of that. And then I have Clubhouse. If you guys haven't heard of Clubhouse, it is new and it is really cool. It's similar to like LinkedIn on that kind of realm. It's like professional like networking kind of thing. So basically you also have to be invited to get the app. So somebody has to invite you for you to be able to like sign up. But it's really cool. There's just all these different rooms. You can follow people. So like there's like Instagram strategy experts, engagements, major media, whatever you're interested in. There is definitely like a, oh my goodness, oh my gosh. There's definitely like a room for you where you can find things. It's really cool. If you guys are on Clubhouse and you would like to follow me, again, my username is just at Amy Hislop. You're more than welcome to. But yeah, that is basically everything that is on my iPhone. So that was everything that was on my iPhone. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this and you found this interesting. Once again, if you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my new videos, and give this video a thumbs up so I know that you guys enjoyed. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon with a brand new video. Bye!